When you connect the dots, you open a world of possibilities. At Alta Sciences, we connect the dots for you for a smooth drug development journey. We begin in program management. Guiding your journey from discovery to proof of concept and beyond, we ensure every phase of your project is meticulously planned and seamlessly executed. With clinical trial site identification, selection, and management, we ensure the right fit for your study. Our hybrid approach consists of one or more of our clinical sites and a partner site to support specialty arms. You can rest easy knowing that we will manage all sites efficiently and meticulously monitor progress. Our experts navigate the maze of scientific and regulatory affairs for you. Their comprehensive knowledge and strategic insight ensure full compliance with all the requirements and regulations related to clinical research. Our medical writing experts craft documents that resonate with regulatory authorities and stakeholders alike, translating complex data into clear, coherent narratives. Our pharmacology team optimizes the response relationship and dosing strategies by connecting the dots between your program's preclinical and clinical data. Our seasoned biostatisticians and data management teams deploy visualization tools to deliver actionable data for efficient go, no-go decisions. At Alta Sciences, we are passionate about connecting the dots, so you don't have to. Bringing together diverse services, we illuminate the path from discovery to delivery. Your journey to innovation begins by connecting with us.